Once upon a time, there was a man named Jonah who was a prophet of God. One day, God told Jonah to go to a city called Nineveh and tell the people to stop doing bad things. But Jonah did not want to go. He was afraid and didn't like the people of Nineveh. So, instead of listening to God, Jonah ran away. He got on a ship and sailed far, far away. But God sent a huge storm over the sea. The sailors on the ship were very scared. They asked Jonah, "Why is this storm happening?" Jonah knew it was because he disobeyed God. So he told the sailors, "Throw me into the sea, and the storm will stop." The sailors didn't want to do it, but finally they threw Jonah into the water, and the storm stopped. But Jonah didn't drown. God sent a big fish or a whale to swallow him. Jonah was inside the belly of the fish for 3 days and 3 nights. While inside, Jonah prayed and told God he was sorry. After 3 days, God made the fish spit Jonah out onto dry land. This time, Jonah obeyed God. He went to Nineveh and told the people to change their ways. And guess what? They listened. The people of Nineveh said sorry to God, and God forgave them. Moral of story: God gives second chances. Even if we make mistakes, we can ask for forgiveness.